Before I bring the lobster out, I want to take a moment to point out something. This is an extremely complicated book to cook from. You may have noticed on some previous shots I'm wearing a different shirt. The reason is this was actually a 3-day process, and let me tell you why. You saw the bone marrow, which has been fried up. That bone marrow needs to be soaked for 24 to 48 hours. So we're already at least 1 day into this preparation just to do the bone marrow setup. Then the second part, this is my sauce underneath. That comes from taking the lobster shells, some mushrooms, and the various ingredients which I'm sharing with you, and simmer it down. Then you let that sit overnight. So now we're 2 days into it. Then the third day is the making of all the ingredients. So here, the carrots are done, the pearl onions are done. I have my mushrooms ready to go. I have some herbs to put in those mushrooms. And of course right here, probably off camera, is the sous vide machine. The lobster's in there right now. So once all these elements are together, I'm gonna plate the dish and hopefully it will be worth the effort. But again, 3 days, very complicated. Probably the thing I learned from my 52 and 22 cooking challenge. Don't put a stack of cookbooks up that you have to cook from until you know exactly what you're going to cook. Because in hindsight, I would have held sous vide for later in the year when I felt a little more comfortable.